Hello everyone, today I'm going to present my project. It's called the Ultimate I'm Not Robot Test. So the idea of my project is a system that uses 4 different machine learning techniques across 4 levels to ensure only humans can pass, and it's built with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So now I'm going to open my project. In level 4 I should separate my time from my index until the meter reaches 100 to prove that I am a human. So I'm gonna refresh the page, and like you can see, it can detect my hand. Just wait for it to load. And when I separate my time from my index, now I can process to level 2. In level 2 I should draw a cat in the box below in order to so the AI can recognize it as a cat to process to level 3. So I'm gonna draw a cat like this. And like you can see, now I can the AI recognize it as a cat, and now I can process to level 3. And in level 3 I should show a banana to the camera in order to process to level 4. So I'm gonna wait for it to start. I'm gonna hit start detection, and I'm gonna show a banana to the camera. Like you can see, now I can process to level 4. In the level 4, this model detects emotions. In order to finish the verification, I should be happy. I'm just gonna wait for it to load. And like you can see now, it's saying that I'm natural. And if I'm surprised, it's going to say I'm surprised, and I should be happy in order to finish the verification. So I should be happy for a bit of time. And like you can see, now I can complete the verification. And for the libraries that I used in this project, I used MediaPipe for hand tracking, and in level 1 I used MediaPipe for hand tracking. In level 2 I used ML5.js plus Doodle.net for drawing recognition, and in level 3 I used TensorFlow.js plus Coco.ssd for object detection, and in level 4 I used Face API.js for emotional detection. Why it works. Bots can't fake it. Each level requires physical, creative or emotional intelligence that AI alone can't replace. User-friendly, playful design makes verification feels like a game, not a charm. And thanks for your attention.